Hi guys, my name is John
I'm Celeste.
and we are Team
Labata.
Labata.
We are a married couple in our late 30s, born and raised in the Philippines, lived in Singapore for a little over 2 years, and in 2017, we moved to Sydney, Australia.
Okay, first timer sa Sydney. Tara.
To find better opportunities and a better quality of life.
Because in Australia, life is good.
Did you get cool shots, mate?
Yeah.
We love traveling and the outdoors. And now, we're in our journey to hopefully start our own family soon. Blood test done! John, with his line of work in the video production and advertising industry, has always been interested in filming and editing videos.
And Celeste simply just loves to talk.
It's not wrong to make mistakes, right? That's part of life. We make mistakes.
So this paved the way to the birth of Team Labata.
We wanted to create a platform to share our experiences,
Our lifestyle,
talk about current issues,
connect and learn from other people.
basically just talk about anything and everything under the sun.
Stress na kay kanon. Just breathe in, breathe out. And then, una-una ang gini mo, don't sweat the small stuff. Diba? Is it really worth it to stress about that?
This is 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
We would also love the opportunity to inspire people through our experiences and stories. Honestly, akong rate is only 200 per hour and video editing is free.
And hopefully be able to share some learnings too.
Again, tonight we'll talk about the pros and cons of social media.
We promise to share positive vibes
Truthfulness,
and valuable content to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Team Labata.
Labata.